Hey YouTube, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Sparrow, and in this video I'm going to show you how to learn digital marketing with Google free certification. Hey there. Oh, okay. Let me show you how to get that free certification with Google. Let me search for learn with Google. If you search this for means, you can see Google digital course. And let me go through this link. Yeah, this is you can see here certifications tab. Yeah, this is the fundamentals of digital marketing. Yeah, you can ask me why I need to learn this digital marketing. Let me tell you a short brief intro to this digital marketing. It is a vital for your business and brand awareness. It seems like every brand has a website, and if they don't, they at least have a social media presence or a digital strategy. Digital content and marketing is so common, guys, that consumers now expect and rely on it. So, if you want to start any startup business through online means, it is the beginner friendly way that Google provides us through their certification with it, so we can get started with it. You can view more courses in this Google certification also. Let me show you. Yeah, these are the online courses that Google provide us. I tell you one thing, guys, this is fully top-notch courses, everything. Okay, but the one fundamental of digital marketing has included with certification. It is free of cost, and other courses you can learn that courses, but to get certification you have to pay something to Google. Yeah, let me open this fundamental of digital marketing. You can see here direct away we can start this course by signing in with our Google account. There is not much needed for this. Here you can see course details, course features about this course. Yeah, it has 26 modules, about 40 hours. It is completely a beginner friendly, and obviously you get a CA certificate for this course, which you can update with your CV, with your LinkedIn, and so on. So this is the shorter video. So that's it. Let me see you guys in the next exacting video. Until then, it's bye from Sparrow, signing off.